Every luxury handbag begins far from the spotlight, where raw materials meet regulation and responsibility. The first stage of refinement begins with cleansing and control. Only select hides advance to chemical stabilization. Temperature and airflow shape consistency in every fiber. Uniform thickness defines luxury performance. Heat locks color deep into the grain. Every curve is engineered for structural balance.
Precision begins with measurable standards.
Every luxury handbag begins far from the spotlight, where raw materials meet regulation and responsibility. From the field, the journey moves swiftly toward controlled processing. Temperature and timing protect quality at every kilometer. Inside controlled walls, precision begins. The first stage of refinement begins with cleansing and control. Moisture is controlled before structural refinement begins. Only select hides advance to chemical stabilization. Here, durability is engineered into every fiber. Time, chemistry, and motion begin the true transformation. With tanning complete, excess moisture must be precisely removed. Temperature and airflow shape consistency in every fiber. Tension restores structure before thickness calibration. Uniform thickness defines luxury performance. Only flawless material advances toward color and character. Before color takes hold, the surface must be perfectly balanced. Before color takes hold, the surface must be perfectly balanced. Color is absorbed from within, not painted on. Consistency and tone defines premium identity. Consistency and tone defines premium identity. Heat locks color deep into the grain. Refinement enhances character without erasing authenticity. Identity is pressed into every luxury surface. Precision cutting defines the foundation of luxury form. Every curve is engineered for structural balance. Edge refinement prepares the leather for seamless joins. Controlled heat shapes elegance into structure. Bonding secures strength before the first stitch. With each stitch, craftsmanship takes visible form. Structure is built from the inside before beauty is revealed. Controlled airflow perfects every detail. Edges are sealed to resist time and wear. Now, science verifies what craftsmanship has created.
Precision begins with measurable standards.
Strength is proven under controlled pressure.
Durability is measured in thousands of repetitions. Surface integrity protects long-term elegance.
Only certified pieces carry the mark of approval.
From single piece to global shipment.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury branded women handbags from start to finish.
All secure and ready to roll.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.